I got the sauce, not the juice, bitch. Send my mans on the road, I can't take a trip. Told my ex I kinda miss her, I can't fake this. I be punching every night just to see shit. I got the sauce, not the juice, bitch. Send my mans on the road, I can't take trips. Told my ex I kinda miss her, I can't fake this. I be punching every night just to see shit.
Jeez Louise.
We did a public interview today. You know, thugging. You go sit your fat ass downstairs.
We need to smash, kill, and marry. You feel me? Everybody's marrying my ass because I'm me.
Everybody was fucking me.
Berlin's getting his ass marked.
You know.
Getting his ass shot every time. But you know.
I think somebody said kill me once, but yeah.
I was married every time. No, I was smashed one time.
Packing the meals, gone.
Boy, okay.
And today we doing the smash, kill, and marry challenge. Out of us three, who would you smash, kill, and marry?
I'm killing him. I'll marry you. I guess I'll smash you.
What about you?
All right, yeah, I'll kill him. I'll kill him. I'll marry you and smash you.
All right. But why though? Why y'all pick that?
I do the best on how y'all look.
How we look?
How do I do that? The order I do? Right, like, right, I just tried to kill him. And then I don't know.
All right. Thank you.
Yeah.
Alright. Out of us three, who you smash, marry, or kill?
I smash him. Marry you, kill you.
This nigga getting murked, boy.
Alright, today we got a quick question. Marry, smash, or kill out of us three?
Mary.
Just go.
Smash kill.
Alright. Thank you. You said what?
Smash kill.
You said louder?
Smash kill.
Shania. Jayla.
Alright. So today's question is like kill, marry, smash. So out of us three, who would you kill, marry, and smash?
Smash you. Marry you. Kill you. Kill you. Smash you. Marry you.
Alright, thank you. What's the deal?
You already started that bitch. What's the deal, YouTube? We doing a little mukbang. Talk about boring shit. Cheerios.
Whoa. Wait a minute, brother. Which movie you go?
Yeah.
These bitch heavy. I don't need a lot of milk. Scoot that over. Damn, boy, you got to dig it in.
Alright, Nisha. What y'all trying to talk about?
So,
Y'all little niggas trying to talk about. I don't believe this shit on my phone. Y'all start talking. Alright, so look, today, coming at y'all with a video about high school life. So all y'all little middle schoolers. Well, you know, most of the high schoolers probably idiot. You a dork ass. Alright, you don't have to that, but you can go, oh shit. Are you 18 year old? No. Oh, what? Start it over. Write it out. You right. That's the best thing you hear. What are you gonna talk about?
might as well do what old girl said.
About when you really like the girl.
Yeah.
Last time I really liked the bitch, she played with my feelings. Fuck hoes.
See me? I never really like for real like the girl before. I don't never take
You
hoes
capping?
serious.
You
Swear to
capping?
God, I don't take hoes
You
serious.
capping?
I'm not.
You capping?
Bye.
So Shakila.
I ain't banged her.
Shakila. What was that then?
Bro, we went out for like.
Boy, you been crushing on that bitch for years.
We went out for like 2 weeks.
And you been in love.
She gonna watch this video and say, you better not fucking claim me ever again.
She be watching that
I don't
shit?
care. Hell no, she don't watch our shit. Alright, what about you?
Every time I like a bitch, she dog me.
Alright,
There's no cap.
so what happened if like a fine ass bitch come along and she like loyal? Like,
I'm gonna try to be loyal, but I don't really trust these bitches, so I end up dogging her.
My trust fucked up. I don't trust
And then
shit.
it be seeming like I be trying to like the bitch, but I be getting bored. Like,
Like, if we don't see each other quick enough,
Right, yeah.
I'm gonna end up texting somebody else. That's it. I'm not trying to text you 50 times a day to not see your ass. Like, fuck am I talking about? But like, I'm in prison in this bitch. Like, if I can't see you, I'm no point in talking.
yeah, what's next?
what do you hate to say when we
Huh?
That shit go good as fuck. You had that little ass boy you ain't doing yet?
How you slow?
Good. You like a fucking bird.
Is that supposed to mean hoe? Or bird?
What?
Hey y'all, guess what though? It's real late. We out here working for y'all. It's real late.